Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it feels like forever since I kind of sat down and filmed, I guess, a sit down video. I think the last time I did was literally nearly a month ago, which is just crazy. So today I thought I would film an unboxing video, and what I'm going to be unboxing is the latest in beauty box, which I was kindly sent by Latest in Beauty for one of their one-off Beauty Guru boxes. Just a little bit about Latest in Beauty before we get into the box itself. So basically, like most subscription boxes, you sign up and you kind of obviously select what kind of box you'd like. They always have fresh products coming onto the site every day, so there's always going to be something new on there that might take your fancy. Sign up and create your profile and let them kind of know your tailored beauty preferences, so what kind of things you like, whether you like makeup or more skincare, and then you can either decide to pick a box which has already kind of been put together to suit a certain celebration, I don't know, like Mother's Day, specifically like a brand, or you can actually like make your own custom ones by picking out products that you like. So you can either choose 3 products, 6 products or 9 product boxes, or obviously like I have, I've obviously worked with Latest in Beauty and I've just got a one-off box, so you know, it's really kind of customizable and tailored to you, and you can really just kind of make everything suit your taste. As I said, obviously this box was kindly sent to me on a gifting basis, but obviously all opinions remain my own, and obviously I got this box at the weekend, so I haven't obviously unboxed it yet. So even though I do know what's inside, because I obviously picked out the products, I haven't seen them in real life yet, so I'm kind of very excited to see what is inside. I'll leave all the details about Latest in Beauty and how you can get a box all in the down bar, so you can head on over to there after this video and check that out. Can't even get into it. Great start. Ooh. So I've opened it up and it's very pink, which I'm loving. So it looks just something like this. And I've got a little card here. It says, I like big brows and I cannot lie. Absolutely love this. This is going to look so nice in my blog pictures. So yeah, I really, really like that feature. Very nice. Now into the pretty packaging. Oh, I hate ripping nice things. So I've opened it up and I've actually got some hot chips in sour cream and onion flavour, which sounds amazing. Oh, and they're only 95 calories. It'll be nice for lunch. And obviously now I can see all my products. So yeah, we'll start with this one. So this is the Moroccan oil treatment. So it's basically a hair treatment for your hair, and I really love hair oils. I find them really beneficial to my hair. They keep it in a really good condition, and when I ombre my hair, which I've cut most of it out now, but when I ombre my hair, they kind of really kept my hair after bleaching it in a really good condition. So definitely recommend hair oils, and I'm excited to try this one because I've seen this one before and I really kind of wanted to try it. And obviously I'll probably let you know what I think. I am doing a first impressions of all the products over on my blog, so make sure you're following me over on Blog Loving if you have Blog Loving, or just know where my blog is, because I will obviously be doing a blog post on this as well. The next thing is from Simple, which obviously is well known kind of skincare brand, and this is their hydrating booster. So yeah, I thought, like, you know, summer coming up, I want to keep my skin looking hydrated and a little less dry. Yeah, this is their hydration booster, which I'm excited to try because I've not really tried anything that looks quite like this before. It says, it's a lightweight, intensive hydrating formula, smooths away tightness and dryness while providing a long-lasting hydration. So yeah, I can imagine this is great for people with dry skin, to kind of bring more products like this into my skincare. Now the summer months are not too far away. So the next thing on the subject of kind of preparing my skin for the summer months ahead, and I have gone for this Mercy Handy, I think that's how you say it, Hello Sunshine Refreshing Face Mist. So I just thought this would be really lovely for kind of summer, and kind of on hot days when it's muggy, especially at night when it's muggy and you just want to kind of refresh your face quickly. Then I think this will be quite nice. Oh, it smells nice. I'm not very good at describing scents, so I would try and describe what it smells like, but I haven't got an actual clue how to describe it. But yeah, it says you can use this after a workout, or if you're feeling a little bit stressed, riding the subway, so if you're on public transport, at the beach, that's a great one, or even after love. So you know, it's a product what works for any kind of thing. And yeah, I think I am just going to get loads of wear out of this, and it smells amazing as well, so definitely excited to use this. So the next product that I chose is one of the Recent Oil nail polishes by Rimmel London, and this is in the shade Sweet Retreat. I have a few of these Reora nail polishes in my nail range anyway, and yeah, I think this is just a really nice shade for kind of spring and summer, always planning ahead. And yeah, I can't wait to pop this on my nails soon. Next up is a lip balm from Burt's Bees, and I think I got it in the shade Rose. Thought, you know what, they're essentials. Always wanted to try Burt's Bees, and you can never have too many lip balms because, you know, you always throw them in your bag and then end up losing them anyway. So yeah, as it is in the Rose shade, I can imagine it's going to be a little bit tinted, so that'd be nice for kind of more natural makeup days when I don't want to wear too much. So the next product is from Seventh Heaven, and this is their strengthening nail and cuticle finger mask. And yeah, I love Seventh Heaven as a brand. I really like their face masks. So yeah, I saw these and I just thought these would be really, really good for my nails, because my nails, I always wear polish on them, so they never really get much air, so you can imagine they dry out quite a bit. I just thought they'd be good on like pamper evenings, or when I'm not feeling so great and I kind of want to just, you know, spruce up my nails a bit. So the next product, I'm probably going to pronounce the brand wrong because that's just me all over, but this is the Nux, I think that's how you say it, Precious Scented Shower Oil with Golden Shimmer. So yeah, I'm very excited to try this. I've never quite tried a shower oil before, so this will definitely be a new kind of thing for me. And I thought, you know, again, the summer, it would be nice to use because it gives you a little bit of golden shimmer. I'm always into my kind of fake tans and my tanning moisturisers in the summer months, so I can imagine this is going to be nice. Next up is a product from one of my favourite brands. It is a creamy stick blush by Kiko in the shade Hot Pink, I think I went for. I love cream products. I was kind of scared of them like a couple of years ago. I remember just feeling like they were hard to control, but they're actually probably more easier to control. They're probably more easier to control than, say, powder-based products. So yeah, I can't wait to try this. I have a lot of kind of cream blushes in my collection already, so yeah, I'm going to swatch this for you guys because it looks so pretty. It looks my kind of summer shade. That is pigmented. As you can see, that is crazy pigmented, and it's quite bright as well, so I can imagine that only a little will need to be applied without it looking too out there. But yeah, this is a great size product. I mean, I think this is pretty much full size, so Ladies and Beauty have done very good here. Yeah, I can imagine this is going to last me a long while as well, and as I say, get lots of wear out of it like the summer months and stuff. I can imagine this being really nice for like festivals, because, you know, it's kind of a more out there kind of shade, but I'm sure I will get wear out of this anyway. The next product I'm probably going to pronounce wrong again, but yeah, this is a makeup removing cleansing oil by Caudalie, I think that's how you pronounce it. But yeah, they're a French brand, and I've been seeing these a lot lately, so I really wanted to try these. I never used a cleansing oil to cleanse my face. I feel so embarrassed to admit this, but I didn't even know you could cleanse your face with an oil like until a few months ago. So yeah, this is definitely something I'm really excited to try. And yeah, I'm really into my skincare at the moment, so you know, anything that's kind of gonna make my skin feel nice, I'm willing to try. It just says warm between your palms and massage onto dry skin with your eyes closed, and then obviously rinse off. I will keep you posted on that, because I'm sure it'll probably feature a lot on my blog and my social media. And that is basically the box done. Yeah, I will let you guys know what I thought on my blog. As I said, I'm going to be doing a first impressions post, yeah, my kind of first impressions. So yeah, make sure you follow me on social media to not miss that post. And I guess that is it. As I said, I will leave everything down below, all the products, and also obviously Latest in Beauty if you want to check them out. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope you really enjoyed the video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did, and hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. I guess I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.